While I was working on the Windows 10 development setup, I came across with the problem installing the VM tools, and then it results in a black screen while I was installing that tool. And then I look around and I found the solution. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid a black screen while installing the VM tools. Um, First, let's show you the problem. So right here, we're installing tool setup, and then toward the end of the installation, um, it the video driver from the tools setup doesn't it's not compatible. You can see here it's not compatible from for the Windows 10. So that's why there's a black screen and you can't get out of it. So here I'm going to show you the solution. First of all, you have to make a snapshot, so in case everything goes wrong, you can go back to the previous installation prior to the installation. So you're gonna right here name the snapshot. Okay. So you can see we can go back anytime we want. Now let's do the actual installation. Click on install, and then that will set up the virtual DVD, and then you click on setup. Yes. And then it will start the process, the setup process. And then the most important part is you go to custom. You don't do the typical setup. You scroll down to SVGA driver, and then you just entirely disable the installation for that part, and that's it. That is the trick. And then you let the installation run. You can see there's no more black screen because we're not installing that SVGA driver. Now I can see the share drive popping up. That actually means it's good. Installation is going well.